Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to export Audacity voice as MP3, right? So what you can do is, first of all, you need to make sure that you have recorded your voice, okay, or you have done all the things you need to do in Audacity. Now what you need to do is, you can see the file option, click on that. Now here you'll be able to see export, right? So you can simply export this thing as audio, okay, and you can also export this thing as MP3, right? So you can export as multiple too. So these are the different things. So I'm not going to go into this thing. I'm just showing you simply, which is, you can see we usually need the audio as MP3, so I'm going to show you like export as MP3. Now you can simply write your title or rename of your voice. But suppose I'm just giving the file name voice and I'm just saving it. Now what you can do is, you can just simply give artist name, you can give it track title, okay, but I don't think it's not applicable for me. But if you need it, if you are like working as voice artist, or if you are working with any kind of sound recording things and the stuffs, you can just use these options, right? You can just add comments, your genre, so lots of things. You can also add other things as well if you want to add, okay. You can also load any template, or you can save any template. So there will be a particular video on this topic, but I'm not going to just want to keep it simple, and just I'm clicking OK. Now here you can see audio is exported, right? Now here you can see this is the voice. It's saved on documents, Camtasia. I'm not going to play it. So yep, in this way you will be able to export audio or export your Audacity file as MP3. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.